Did you know that you actually can wash a lot of the ceramic knickknacks you have in your house by hand in the sink? Now I got all of these Lladro pieces secondhand, and I am about to wash them in my sink and take you along. Of course, I am starting with an already washed out and clean sink, and I am using Dawn dish soap. I feel like if it's safe enough to use on a wild animal, it's safe enough to use on something as precious as a Lladro. Now all of these are pretty clean, other than this one's got some smush on it right there. She's really cute. She's a little Spanish dancer. Now I'm going to carefully place them in on the bottom each, because of course Lladro, you don't want it to break. Now, when I am cleaning small things like this, I usually, like this is a children's toothbrush, and it's pretty soft, so I know it's not going to cause any damage to the object I am cleaning. Now I'm going to leave them on this towel just because the majority of them have this little teeny hole at the bottom of them, and we want any leftover water to come out. But that is how I clean knickknacks in the house. You can hand wash them. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this kind of content. That way we can continue to put stuff out. Give us a thumbs up, and we'll catch you on the next one.